Brothers and sisters, you're welcome once again to Tebi Talks. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can convert a PDF document to Excel. Now, to do that, we are going to use a website called I Love PDF. So open one of your browser and then type I Love PDF. Once you open the website will open with different tools. And one of these tools, you can see it is called it is called PDF to Excel. The PDF Excel will pull data straight from PDF into Excel spreadsheet. So what you are going to do, you are going to click on this. After that, now you get another interface where you are supposed to select a PDF file from a directory where it is saved. Now in this case, I'm going to select that. Then I will get a new dialog window that will pop on the screen. And on this one, I'm supposed to look for a document, a PDF document in one of the directories in my computer. So as you can see, I have a document library which is open, and the file I'm going to be changing is called the loan schedule 1. So I'll go ahead and select it. Once you select that, you can see under the file name, it is run schedule 1, and it is the type of the document is a PDF file. So from there, click open. So now when you click open, now you can see on your preview, you have a loan schedule 1.pdf. It's already shown in the preview. Then from there, on your right side down, there's a button which is saying convert to PDF. So once you see this button, what you are going to do, you will go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, now the document will convert in just few seconds. It is already done, like your PDF has been converted, and then the document will also download automatic to your machine. Now when you go to downloads, you see that this document, after being converted to Excel, it has been downloaded. So go ahead and open it. So once you open, you wait for some few seconds, and then the Excel worksheet will be open. Now you can see my Excel worksheet is open with the same heading, which is loan amortization schedule, and then it has different tables because when it was in PDF, when you compare to this PDF file, to the PDF file, which is in the document, try to open my document library. When you look at this file called run schedule 1, when I try to open it, you see that the file has different tables. Like you see, I have this table, I have this table, then I have this table. That's why when you try to compare it with your Excel worksheet, you realize that the Excel worksheet has different tables, table 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So I'll go ahead and enable editing. After that, now you have your spreadsheet. So from there, you can go ahead and tap on different these tabs. When you tap on tab one, on this tab 2, you see the loan amount, annual interest, and so on. When you tap on table 3, you see the scheduled payment. Then table 4 is talking about the lender name. Table 5 is talking about optional extra payment, and table 6, which is the final, is now giving you the overview of the table data which was contained in the PDF. As you can see, when I try to open the PDF, and I try to maximize, you can see this is my table starting with payment number, payment date, beginning balance, schedule payment, extra payment, up to cumulative interest. When I open my Excel, you see I have payment number, payment date, beginning balance, up to cumulative interest. Now this is how we can convert a PDF to an Excel. So after getting this information into Excel, you can go ahead and do whatever operation you need involving calculation, doing a lot of things. Of course, in Excel you can do a lot of things. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is very important to know that how you can convert one type of document to another. Knowing how to convert a PDF to Excel is very important, because sometimes you have a document which is in PDF, and it has a table. This table containing numbers that you want to carry out calculation, but you cannot do calculation in the PDF. You can only do calculation in Excel. So you need to convert that into Excel as soon as fast as you can. And by doing that, you go and open the website called I Love PDF. It has all the tools that you need, and then from there you can convert. So after that, everything will be easy for you. So guys, for now we're going to stop here. Go and try so that now you can grab this skill. Remember, this video is powered by tebitalks.com. Thank you very much.